Xiaomi vacuum cleaner G10 Plus versus Dyson V15. Which one cleans better? Two popular cordless stick vacuums. If you're wondering whether the Xiaomi G10 Plus can keep up with the Dyson V15 Detect, let's see which one cleans better in just 2 minutes. First up, the Xiaomi G10 Plus. What it brings to the table. Up to 150 AW of suction power. 3 suction modes: Eco, Standard, High Power. Runtime up to 65 minutes in Eco mode. Dustbin capacity around 0.6 liters. Filtration with 12 cyclone system and multi-stage filtering. Now the Dyson V15 Detect. Suction power is significantly higher at around 230 AW in boost or max mode. Smart Tech, laser dust detection, particle sensors that adjust power automatically depending on how dirty the floor is, with a display for what's being picked up. Well-rounded cleaning performance on multiple floors, hardwood, low-pile carpet, high pile. Dyson tends to score very high in independent cleaning tests. Now for the pros and cons. For Xiaomi G10 Plus, its pros included having a strong suction for the price. 150 AW is very respectable. Long battery when using Eco or Standard modes, good for covering large floor areas. Lower noise in Eco mode, more affordable, and decent capacity and useful attachments. However, in high power mode, battery drops fast with shorter runtime. Not as much smart feedback as Dyson, and its build or brand premium might lag behind Dyson in finish, durability, and accessory quality. For Dyson V15 Detect, its pros included having top-tier suction power. It excels especially on carpets or tough debris. Very strong smart features like laser, auto-adjust, sensors, and visual feedback. It has great performance across floor types, built to premium standard. However, it's more expensive, heavier, and more bulky, might be tiring for overhead or long cleaning sessions. And in boost or max mode, it has higher noise and battery drains fast. If you're mainly cleaning hard floors or have lighter debris regularly, the Xiaomi G10 Plus gives you very good performance, especially for its price. It's harder to beat in value per watt, especially if you use Eco or Standard modes. But when it comes to deep cleaning, tougher carpet, or catching fine dust and debris you can't see, Dyson V15 Detect still has the edge. The extra suction, laser detection, and smarter sensors help it pull ahead in more demanding cleaning scenarios. So for value plus average daily cleaning, Xiaomi G10 Plus is excellent. For premium performance, especially for heavy carpet, fine dander, premium touches, Dyson V15 Detect is the more powerful option. So which one are you choosing? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons, and see you in the next video.